Industry 4.0 stands for today's industrial automation bent to integrate factory automation system with communication and information system with the target to increase productivity and products quality. Industry 4.0 goes through the concept of the smart factory and relying on the application of information technologies with regards about data processing, transmission and elaboration, and operational technologies focused on the management and control of devices operating in the physical world. Cama focused above all on operational technologies with a special reference to complex production system. It has the modular system with interconnected machines to increase flexibility and machines' performances. Then on mechatronical simulation, this to optimize processes and machines interconnections before to get the physical devices. A further operational technology Cama focused on is the augmented reality. This to guide operators to daily and maintenance activities, and also horizontal and vertical integration to share information between interconnected machines and to higher level systems. The main results of the synergistic application of these technologies are the reduction of the time to market, the reduction of the cost. We also got further benefits in terms of flexibility of our systems, in terms of productivity, and in terms of information available all along the processes. Even during these difficult times where Cama is suffering, as well as all the other industries, a supply chain disruptions in electronic devices, Cama is able to easily and quickly remodel and re-engineer its machines. Data collection and the management of data is a mandatory field if we would like to integrate information technologies with operational technologies. Talking about data collection, it's very easy to fall into the temptation to monitor and archive a huge amount of data where we neither make this information available to all the interconnected systems, nor these data are given any interpretation, making them just some digital junk, garbage that occupies space and consumes energy. If we want to exploit all the makings of data collection, we should first answer to a few questions. What are the objectives of data collection? Which useful information we would like to extract from data? Who are the recipients of this information, and through which tool we would like to make information available to recipients? According to the nature of the machine Cama engineer and product, machines that are almost always integrated into a more complicated concept of production line. The objectives of Cama data collection are mainly two: for production purposes and for maintenance purposes. Production purposes to be able to track products all along the process flow and their status, and maintenance purposes to be able to collect and elaborate data in order to be able to detect any degradation of system performances, and to be able to easily show this information through different interfaces to be able to realize predictive maintenance. Working with more interconnected machines and systems, richer in features, richer in information, with many different interfaces, sure can lead to feelings of confusion at first. However, we should think about Industry 4.0 and the technologies adopted with Industry 4.0. Looking back in history, even during the first three industrial revolutions, people felt the feelings of confusion and repulsion. Let's just think about what happened in the UK at the beginning of the first industrial revolution, when steam-operated machines were introduced. Well, Anyway, if we today are here talking about IoT technologies and Industry 4.0 technologies, it is because we were able to exploit all the possibility introduced by these various technologies when they became available. Industry 4.0 technologies really can open to new model of business and a new model of to organize their own production. Cama, that feels part of this innovation process, already started a revision of its organizational structure, its business processes, and the mechatronical and automation engineering. Hence, Cama is now ready to not only serve the Industry 4.0 wave, but also face any other and future technical improvement it will arise in the next times.